Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. And in this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix even if iPhone is unresponsive, which means iPhone 16, 16 Pro Max is unresponsive, and how we can fix it. So when we get onto these kind of issue, we only one solution that's gonna help you is all this. All you we have to do a restart. So to do a restart, you have to press volume up, followed by volume down. You have to press and hold the power button over here. So to do this, press volume up, followed by volume down. Press and hold the power button over here. And listen until you see the Apple logo. And once you see the Apple logo, just remove your hand from the power button and just follow up and just you have to get it back to your iPhone by giving the passcode. Now we will get into this. And most probably, the current responsive issue on iOS 16 Pro and 16 Pro Max will become the game fixed. So if you find this really helpful, don't forget to subscribe and see you soon in the next video. Bye.